how people treat you is often a reflection of what you allow. When you silently accept bad behaviors, you are teaching them that it's okay. People will treat you as badly as you let your love for them overpower your self respect. The foundation of healthy relationship is not just a love but the boundaries. You teach people how to treat you, not with the words, but through your actions. Every bond has a treatment ratio. The way they treat you depends on the way you left them. So remember, respect is never demanding, it is earned by ourselves.